Greetings. Let's dive straight into some numbers from a recent trading experiment. Over a span of 10 weeks, a unique strategy was put to the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame. The results, out of 100 trades, a remarkable 71% were successful. But the figures get even more impressive. Starting with an initial investment of $1,000, the strategy managed to multiply this amount to a whopping 115% profit in just 10 weeks. The strategy, which is both straightforward and free, utilizes two indicators available on the TradingView website. It's optimally designed for 5-minute or 15-minute time frames, but can be adjusted to suit other time frames as per your performance. Ready to explore this further? Let's get started on TradingView. First, select the chart for the asset you want to trade. Then go to the indicators section and search for the parabolic SAR plus EMA 200 plus MACD signals. It's popular, so you'll find it easily. Click on it and add it to your chart. To make this indicator work well on your chart, we'll tweak the settings. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Just follow my steps and adjust the indicator settings as I go. But before I proceed to the next indicator, I'd like to highlight that our team at TradeGenius YouTube channel is dedicated to bringing you top-notch free scalping indicators. We're always updating with new content, so be sure to subscribe and give us the thumbs up to stay in the loop and show your support. Now let's focus on adding another indicator to boost your trading strategy. To add the second indicator to your chart, follow these simple steps. Just head over to the indicators section on TradingView and type improve percent price oscillator W colored into the search bar. When you see the indicator in the results, just click on it to add it to your chart. That's all there is to it. The improve percent price oscillator will be ready to use on your chart in no time. Similar to our initial indicator, the improve percent price indicator will require a bit of tweaking to mesh smoothly with our scalping approach. No stress, we'll walk you through the adjustments side by side to make sure it's customized just right for what we need. Great job setting up both indicators. Now let's talk about spotting the best moment to enter and close trades. Here's your game plan for finding perfect buy trade entry points. Ensure that the price candles are above the moving average line, indicating we're aligned with the trend. Then look out for a buy signal from the parabolic SAR indicator, giving you the green light to consider a buy trade. After that, confirm the improved percent price oscillator supports the buy signal, with the histogram sitting above the zero line. Once these conditions are met, seize the opportunity and open a buy position. Now let's discuss managing risk and safeguarding your investment. Set a stop loss just below the recent swing low of the market or below the MA line, creating a safety net for your trade. Then establish a trade target using the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 to protect your profits. Now that we've covered buy trades, let's switch gears and discuss the rules for sell trades. Identify when price candles are sweated below the moving average line, indicating that we're aligned with the downtrend. After that, keep an eye out for a sell signal from the parabolic SAR indicator, giving you the go-ahead to consider sell trade. And then confirm that the improved percent price oscillator agrees with the sell signal, with a histogram positioned below the zero line. So once these conditions are met, seize the opportunity and open the sell position. Now let's talk about managing risk and safeguarding your investment. Set a stop loss just above the recent market swing high or above the MA line, establishing a safety net for your trade. Then secure your profit by setting a trade target using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, if you want to make profits with a small amount of money, check out our recommended video next. It's Get All the Secrets to Success Trading on a Budget. Don't miss out. Click on it to watch.